Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 electric blender machine of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Biolomix A8700 Electric Blender Machine. The Biolomix A8700 is a premium 2200W commercial-grade blender with an impressive 7-year warranty, showcasing its durability and reliability. Its BPA-free design ensures safety, while the powerful motor and sharp blades easily tackle tough tasks like crushing ice and blending smoothies. Perfect for both professional and home use, it offers variable speed controls for precise blending. The sturdy build, large capacity, and ease of cleaning make it a top choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, long-lasting blender. Number 2. Biolomix T5200 Electric Blender Machine. The Biolomix T5200 is a 3 HP 2200W powerhouse blender designed for heavy-duty use, perfect for smoothies, ice crushing, and food processing. Its BPA-free 2L jar is safe and spacious, making it ideal for family or commercial applications. The timer feature adds convenience, allowing precise blending for consistent results. Durable stainless steel blades and variable speed controls handle tough ingredients with ease. Sturdy, efficient, and easy to clean, this blender is an excellent choice for anyone needing high performance and reliability. Number 3. Biolomix SF701 Electric Blender Machine. The Biolomix SF701 is a reliable 1300W smoothie blender featuring a durable 1.5L glass jar, perfect for frozen fruit drinks, sauces, and more. Its sleek design combines functionality and style, while the sharp blades ensure smooth blending of tough ingredients. This combo blender includes options for personal servings, adding convenience for on-the-go users. Easy-to-use controls and a solid build make it a great addition to any kitchen. Ideal for those seeking performance and versatility in a compact, stylish package. Number 4. Biolomix T5800 Electric Blender Machine. The Biolomix T5800 is a versatile 1500W professional blender with an automatic program feature, making it user-friendly for creating smoothies, crushing ice, and more. Its BPA-free 2L low-profile jar is ideal for family-size servings and fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. The durable blades and powerful motor ensure smooth blending of even tough ingredients. With multiple speed settings and pre-programmed options, it adapts to various recipes effortlessly. A perfect blend of convenience, performance, and value for everyday kitchen use. Number 5. Biolomix G5200 Electric Blender Machine. The Biolomix G5200 is a powerful 2200W blender designed for heavy-duty use. Its 3 HP motor effortlessly handles tough ingredients, making it perfect for smoothies, ice crushing, and food processing. The BPA-free jar ensures safety, while the sturdy build is ideal for both home and commercial settings. With variable speed controls and pulse functions, it offers versatility for different recipes. Despite its robust performance, it's surprisingly easy to clean. A reliable choice for anyone needing a high-performance blender. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.